Hey, Eric.
Yeah, what is it, Brian?
Hey, you know how we were doing those do-it-yourself divorce retreats?
Uh-huh.
I was just trying to think of some other things that we could do for people that think that they can't afford their divorce, or they just think that they just don't want to be involved in sitting in some stuffy office. Is there anything we can be doing for those people?
Well, there's a number of things we can do for them. First of all, let's talk about the divorce retreats and the workshops that we do, okay? So you may be wondering what that is. What we do is each month we will schedule, and you can find it on the website, a time when we come for a weekend. We show up on Thursday or Friday evening and then work that evening and then the next full day, where I will tell you how to go about working out your details of your divorce case. And then at the end of that, you will have all of your pleadings that you need to file by yourself. We also provide food and lodging at Snowbird Resort. It's all included. So it's a day and a half to 2 days, depending upon when we schedule it. What do you think the cost is?
What is the cost?
Well, what would you pay for something like that?
Well, it kind of sounds a little too good to be true. Like, I mean, it's almost like
it does sound a little too good to be true, right?
I got my own personal attorney.
It's funny you should mention that, because that's exactly what we're trying to do. We wanted you to come and relax and be at a place where there's no distractions and where nobody else is there to keep an eye on you, and so that you can just focus on getting your divorce pleadings done. And you do them yourself, but you also have the guidance of an attorney. Now, I'm not your attorney when I show up to that. You haven't hired me to represent you, but I can answer your questions and I can show you how each step works and how to fill out forms correctly so the court will accept them, and so you can state what it is you want in a way that the court will understand.
Because you don't have to have an attorney to go through
You don't need an attorney.
Right?
Now, I think you're a fool not to get an attorney to go through most divorces, because if you get it wrong, the court won't say, oh, well, you didn't have an attorney, so you get a do-over. But there are some times when you just can't afford it, and there are some times when it may be so simple that it wouldn't make a lot of sense to hire a lawyer.
You're not fighting and everybody's being honest, sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and so we will help you with that, so you can prepare your own pleadings and then file those with the court. In fact, we offer a satisfaction guarantee. If the court doesn't accept them, let us know, and we will help you to fix them so they will get replaced, or accepted, I should say. And then if you want to do them over again or have some questions, it's all included. All right, and as we said, it's a Snowbird. You get the lodging, you get to make use of the facilities there, the pool and the exercise room and all that kind of stuff. It's wonderful. What would you pay for something like that?
For one-on-one advice, I know attorneys are pretty
He's
expensive.
not acting, by the way. He really doesn't know what the price is. So I'm going to tell you what it is. It's $750 per person. So remember, that's between 1.5 to 2 days. You get to stay overnight at Snowbird. We provide you with your food and your lodging. We take breaks. We have guest speakers to come and talk to you about child care and mental health therapy, talk about nutrition, about other sources of income, budgeting, and financial management, because those are other things you're going to need to prepare for if you haven't already done so. That's our Do-It-Yourself Divorce Workshop, and you can click here below to find out about more details.
I've got an idea, actually.
What's that?
It almost sounds like an awesome vacation. What if there was people that just wanted some marriage counseling, or do we have anything like that we could offer somebody if they weren't sure they were going to get a divorce?
We do offer that, actually. Now, some people think that our Do-It-Yourself Divorce Workshop is like how to not get divorced, or that both of you as a couple have to come. That's not it. You can come with your spouse if for some reason you wanted to. You're welcome to do that. But you can come by yourself. We also offer meetup groups and other things like that, where we talk to people about marriage counseling. We talk to them about counseling for a troubled child or for yourself. We talk about getting some exercise, Zen, meditation, those sorts of things. We talk about selling your house, talking to real estate agents, handymen to help you around the house if your spouse is no longer there to help you, child care, all sorts of things. That's our meetup group, and we'll tell you about that too. You can see that below in this link. Appreciate you talking to me about that, and we hope that you found this pretty helpful.